Chapter 4. Hot Deserts and Frigid Zones. Hot deserts. There are certain places on the earth which are very hot, while some others are very cold. Near the tropics lie the hot deserts of the world, and beyond the Arctic Circle and Antarctic Circle lies the frigid zones. Most deserts of the earth are found between 15 degrees and 35 degrees north and south of the equator. They are also known as subtropical deserts, and they lie near the tropics, i.e., Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. Some examples of hot deserts are Sahara and Kalahari deserts in Africa, Thar Desert in India and Pakistan, Great Australian Desert in Australia, Mojave Desert in North America, and Arabian Desert in Arabian Peninsula. We will pick a country from a particular climatic zone and study about it. Let's take the example of Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia is situated in the Arabian Peninsula, the largest peninsula in the world. Saudi Arabia. Land. Most of Saudi Arabia is a high rocky plateau covered by a vast desert. The desert is covered with small hills of sand called sand dunes. There are no lakes or rivers in this land. But at some places in the desert, underground water comes to the surface forming fertile areas called oases. Climate. The climate of Saudi Arabia is hot and dry because it lies within the tropics and receives direct and intense rays of the sun causing higher temperatures. The prevailing winds are hot and dry that blows from inland deserts making it drier. It also lies in the rainshadow region of the Hejaz Mountains making the interior dry. The country receives very little rainfall, the humidity is very low, and the sun shines bright and hot throughout the year. Since sand cools down quickly, the nights in the desert are cool. During winter, the nights are very cold. Vegetation and agriculture. Since most part of the land is covered by sand, very few plants grow here. Cacti and some short shrubs, which can withstand the hot and dry conditions, can be seen growing in the desert regions of Saudi Arabia. Date palms and some crops such as wheat and barley are grown in the oases. Life of the people. Vast deposits of petroleum have made Saudi Arabia a very rich country. The money earned by selling petroleum to other countries has been used to build modern cities such as Riyadh and Jeddah. The people have modern facilities and their standard of living is quite high. Traditionally, the people of Saudi Arabia were nomads, moving from place to place. Even today, many people follow this lifestyle. They are called Bedouins. Their main occupation is rearing cattle. They move from place to place in search of pastures for their flocks of goat, sheep and camel. They live in tents made of animal skin. They sell animals and their products at marketplaces in villages and buy food grains, dates and other things. Religious importance. Mecca is the holiest center of pilgrimage for the Muslims. The religion Islam was founded by Prophet Muhammad in Saudi Arabia. Millions of Muslims from all over the world comes to Mecca. Medina is another important religious center here. Saudi Arabia is an excellent example of a hot and barren desert being changed into a rich and prosperous land. The government of Saudi Arabia has utilized the country's natural resources intelligently to benefit its people. Frigid zones. The frigid zones are the coldest regions of the earth. These are covered with ice and snow throughout the year. There are two frigid zones, North Frigid Zone and South Frigid Zone. The North Frigid Zone is located between the Arctic Circle and the North Pole, while the South Frigid Zone is located between the Antarctic Circle and the South Pole. Let's study about one of the frigid zone of the world, i.e. Greenland. Greenland. Greenland is the largest island in the world that is not a continent. It is located towards the northeast of North America. The Baffin Bay and the Davis Strait separate Greenland from the northern island of Canada. The northernmost tip of Greenland is about 65 kilometers from the North Pole. More than two-thirds of Greenland is located to the north of the Arctic Circle. It is a self-governing province of Denmark, and its capital is Nuuk, earlier known as Gotthab. The first European who visited Greenland was an explorer called Erik the Red. He gave the island its name. Climate. Since the Arctic Circle passes through the southern part of Greenland, most Greenland lies on the frigid zone in the northern hemisphere. This region has a very cold climate. The region is also known as the tundra region. 80% of Greenland is always covered with ice. Huge pieces of ice frequently break off and float in the sea. They are called icebergs. They pose great danger to ships in the sea. The southwestern coast of Greenland is the warmest part of the country. Most of the people live here. Vegetation and wildlife. Since most part of Greenland is covered with thick ice sheets, no vegetation is found here. No forests and crops can be grown here. Some plants can be seen during the summer months. Only those animals that can withstand the extreme cold are found in Greenland. Among them are the polar bear, reindeer, musk ox, wolf, Arctic fox, and seal. Several varieties of fish and seabirds are also found here. Life of the people. Inuits, Eskimos, who are the original inhabitants of Greenland, call their land Kalaallit Nunaat, meaning land of the people. They are mainly hunters and live by fishing and hunting animals found in the region. In the past, the Inuits were nomadic, i.e., they used to roam around throughout the year to hunt. They used sledges pulled by dogs for transport. They used boats called kayaks for fishing in the sea. Inuits make temporary houses using blocks of ice while roaming around. We call these houses igloos. In summer, the Inuits move into leather tents. Most Inuits now lead a settled life. They live in small villages or towns on the seacoast. They wear jackets with hoods lined with fur, called parkas. Long boots made of seal skin keep their feet warm in the snow. Today, Greenland has a mixed population, mostly of Inuits and Europeans. The total population is only about 56,000, less than the population of even a small town in India.